Well, I'm off the couch, I'm on the road, and I'm on my way to 6 haunted hotels in the southern Yosemite area. Number 1, the Sierra Sky Ranch, located in Oakhurst, California on Highway 41. The Sky Ranch opened in 1875 as a working cattle ranch. The ranch became a sanitarium in the 1930s and then housed wounded soldiers during World War II. Today it is a guest ranch for visitors on their way to Yosemite National Park. With all the pain this ranch has seen, it now has at least 4 ghosts. These include a cowboy who killed himself at the ranch, 2 children who died at the sanitarium, and a nurse. Ghosts make their presence known by the smell of perfume in the air, a piano that plays by itself, and from time to time, clouds that float through the air. Number 2, the Bobona Hotel. The Bobona Hotel was built in 1876 as a hotel and restaurant. It is rumored to be haunted by a ghostly airman whose plane crashed on the grounds during the 1920s. Staff have reported seeing his apparition dressed in a leather jacket, pilot's cap, goggles, and a white silk scarf. The spirit appears to be mainly confined to the Moore Cottage, which is an outbuilding built in 1894, where the pilot died from his injuries sustained in the accident. Number 3, the National Hotel, located just off Highway 49 in Jamestown, California. The National Hotel. The hotel's resident ghost, Flo, is a friendly ghost known for harmless pranks and mysterious goings-ons. Flo generally stays upstairs in the hotel, seemingly favoring the rooms in the front of the building, although she has on occasion been seen in the early morning downstairs floating through the dining room and right through the walls. There are numerous accounts of doors slamming, lights going on and off, clothing being dumped from suitcases onto the floor, and sometimes a woman's sobbing can be heard coming from the hallway in the middle of the night. Housekeepers report they have entered into rooms only to be greeted by icy cold air within the room, even though the heater was on and working. Number 4, the Jamestown Hotel, located just off of Highway 49 in Jamestown, California. The Jamestown Hotel, built in 1919. This hotel's shuttersome history is an enticing one. In the 1930s, a man by the name of Dr. Donald Farrell converted the hotel into the Motherlode Hospital, housing the morgue in the basement. The hospital closed its doors in the 1940s and Dr. Farrell moved his practice elsewhere. The hotel reopened in the 1950s, but its looming past remains. Today, the spirit of Mary O'Sullivan, a patient of Dr. Farrell, is said to roam the hotel. Number 5, the Groveland Hotel, located just outside of Yosemite National Park on Highway 120 in Groveland, California. The Groveland Hotel hosts a ghost of a former guest that the hotel has dubbed as Lyle. Lyle is said to have permanent residency in room 15. Lyle has been reported to clear his dresser of items he doesn't want on it, especially women's cosmetics. He also is blamed for the lights in the building dimming. Number 6, the Hotel Jeffrey, located on Highway 49 in Coulterville, California. The Hotel Jeffrey was built in 1851, and if you're looking for a haunted room, then room 22 is apparently the room. Reportedly haunted by an old miner from the hotel's gold rush days, this man is just one of many ghosts reported at the hotel. Before the recent fire that closed the hotel would play up its haunted reputation and apparently rented out ghost detecting kits that you could reserve with your stay. Well, I'm back home, I'm back on the couch, and I'm dreaming up another adventure. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.